Alright, we'll be unboxing the Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle Collab Super Saiyan 2 Son Goku. The only reason why I bought this statue is because it has Majin Vegeta. It doesn't have Majin Vegeta inside of this one, but you have to buy it both of them separate, which there will be a video for Majin Vegeta really soon. So yeah, let's start unboxing. This is the same people that are Ben Presto, you know, Dragon Ball Super. I don't know why, but this form is only on Dragon Ball Z mostly, and Majin Vegeta was only in Dragon Ball Z. He never showed up in Dragon Ball Super, and also Bandai. So let's start unboxing this. What the cutting to do? This side. Okay, there you go. That should do the trick. Okay, I didn't cut it. Okay. Anyways, back to the video. You know, what? I did cut it. What the fuck? There you go. There you go. Oh my god. Okay. Then it has a hole right there. Oh, it has the thing right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. 5 of those electricity thingies. You know, when he goes Super Saiyan 2. Like how I like it. Okay. Okay, that's how you know it was super tight. Look at that. It's because of his fucking fingers. Holy shit. Yep, there you go. There you go. Whoa, he looks weird. Oh no, never mind. Well, if you look like this, he doesn't look that way. But if you look like this, he looks kind of weird. Anyway, let's take this box off. Oh yeah, and he has a halo too. That's the other reason why I bought it, because you don't see Goku Super Saiyan 2 when he has the halo that much of statues. So I just bought it because of the halo and it's Super Saiyan 2, and who does not like Super Saiyan 2, you know? Beyond Super Saiyan, come on guys. Okay, I'm trying to get the halo. Halo feels cheap, but you know. Now the electricity thingies, you get 5. That's 1, that's 2, 3, 4, and 5. There you go. That's that. Electricity thingies. I'm gonna put it to the side right here. Now we get to Goku's torso and long legs. Look like a ballerina pose. Okay, we go over here. He looks weird, doesn't he? Like, is it just me? Look at that. What the heck? He looks weird to the side, but in the front he looks normal. Right here he looks normal. This pose right here, this position, looks normal right there. Looks pretty good actually. Let me put this together. Put it right tight. Oh, yeah, just like that. Now that he looks good right there. Alright, let's put him right here. Let's open this more. Yeah, that's cool. Now this is a cool base. This is Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle. Even though I never played this Dokkan. Never played it. Probably like a mobile thing or something. I don't know. I'm sorry guys, I don't play it. But yeah, there's 2 holes right here. So you just put it super tight. There you go. Goku should have like a little hole in his butt. And then you put it right here. Oh wait, what? Oh, forgot the electric thingies. And his halo. Look, what the heck? He has like a little tiny hole in his hair. Yeah, let me put the halo. Without even the halo, he looks cool, but let me put the halo in. And the halo feels so fragile. Like, okay, there you go. Oh, he looks cool like that. It doesn't look that bad. Now let's put the electric thingies. I thought the box would have instructions, but I guess not. I think I just have it right. I think you just have to have common sense. Oh damn, this is actually pretty sharp. And this one, these electric thingies are super sharp. There you go. So far, now we just need the one and only. How the fuck? Okay. I think this one goes up here. Oh, damn, these things are super sharp. Holy, look at that. There you go. Looks pretty nice. Okay, now let's put him into the base. In his buttocks, his ass. Oh my god, even this is tight. Holy shit, Goku. What kind of tight ass you have? There you go. Oh my god. I like this figure. This figure looks pretty cool. Yo, this figure is actually pretty dope. I mean, his size is kind of small, but he looks dope overall. I feel like if you have him in the weird, if you have him like this, he would look super cool. But if you have him like this, nah, he look weird. Just to compare him with the Super Saiyan Blue Goku. I mean, obviously Super Saiyan Blue Goku looks bigger. Like, I don't know, I can't tell. I don't know which one I prefer. I feel like I prefer this one. I don't know why, but overall, this guy looks badass too. Super Saiyan 2, come on. How do you not like him? Especially with the electric thingies, which is super sharp. This is nice. And another reason why I love this so much is because, dude, look, it's Dragon Ball Z in the base, bro. That's so cool. And this one is all black, and this one you have nothing. But yeah, like this one. And if you're thinking to buy it, you should buy it. Absolutely, it looks so cool. And it's pretty cheap too. $25? No, that's nothing. And that's nothing if you're a big fan of Dragon Ball Z, you know. And even if you're not a big fan of Dragon Ball Z, you should still get it. But I will make a video of the Majin Vegeta, so these two can duke it out and having the say. I wonder, does it shake a lot? Wait, hold up. Let me move my desk. No, it doesn't. Oh, that's a good thing. Yeah, that's why I hate the Naruto one, the one that I bought. I kind of regret buying that because it shakes a lot, and if I move the desk or anything, because if I move the desk, he don't move that much. Goku over here doesn't move at all. So, yeah, you should get it. So, this is the end of the video. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, see you later, guys. But the meantime, since Majin Vegeta isn't here, I'm gonna put him right here, duking it out. Who will win, Super Saiyan Blue, Broly, or Super Saiyan 2 Goku? Comment below, who do you think will win?